Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to archive an email on Proton Mail. Archiving an email in Proton Mail removes it from inbox without deleting it, keeping your inbox clean while still storing the email securely. And this is perfect for keeping your inbox organized, storing email you may need later, bring up visual clutter without losing information, and unlike deleting archived emails stay and can be accessed anytime via the archive folder. So first, open any of the web browser. There's an address bar, type down proton.me and enter it, and simply sign into your account in the top right corner. And once you get into this interface of your inbox, what you can do is you can select one of the email that you want to put it on archive. Over here, scroll a bit down and you can find out this three dot icon here. Click onto this three dot icon and you can select this archive here, and the email is moved to this archive folder over here and removed from your inbox. And all the archive emails are stored here and can be searched or restored to inbox if needed as well. And that is it. And archive emails are saved, searchable, and can be restored anytime. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.